And Sean's got another one on. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. So guys, I just shot the matriarch, my 30-06. She's down, but her two young ones that travel with her don't know what to do really, which is okay. They'll figure it out, and I'm not greedy. I don't have another doe tag anyways, and so I'm not gonna take them. But yeah. Another deer down. Tag 3 filled. I might not be doing tag soup. Gotta get one more buck. Oh, I was thinking about not taking her, and then cause she looked small, but then her two babies came out, and I realized she was one of the mothers. That she was one of the matriarchs, and so it's like, hey, I need to fill a doe tag. So I took the doe tag, and her two young ones they can hear me, they can see me, but they're just walking around. If I had more tags, I could do a hat trick right now, but I'm not going to. I'm not greedy. I'm positive I killed the mom. I just watched her. She went away and then laid down, and she's dying, and I think they're just staying by because they're used to traveling with her. They'll have to be used to not traveling with her. It's one of the hard facts of life, but they'll do fine. They're the right age. They're not spotted or anything, so yep, it's another tag filled. Can't use the GoPro, so I can't get the shot kill right now because the cold messes with the SD cards and it corrupts the video half the time. So using my phone and just filming what I can. So in a minute we'll go and retrieve, and maybe, who knows, maybe a buck will happen to show up, which sometimes happens too. Yep.
The show's not over yet, but we wanted to give a special thanks to these companies who have helped us out a lot along the way.
Well, there she is. I mean, you just go out and do it. You get out. Your best bet is to go out and hunt. It took me so long to actually fill tags, and now I'm filling tags. You know, if this is the third tag, I've got one more. Pretty stoked. So I got some work to do. Super excited to get another piece of meat. I got a gutter and get all that out of her, and then we got more meat in the freezer. Hopefully I can get one more buck. That would be great. And unfortunately, like I said, my kill shots you can't really see because, well, my GoPro's just not liking the winter. It never does. So unless if I figure out a different way to do it, you know, who knows. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Please click like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And until next time, God bless.